How to use Instagram's Vanish Mode in messages. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Vanish Mode on Instagram. So if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Now first of all, you have to open the Play Store or the App Store and ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram application on your mobile device. After you're sure about that, click on Open to launch the Instagram application. Then tap on the DM icon in the upper right corner of the screen and then select any message. Now to activate the Vanish Mode, you have to simply swipe up from the bottom of the page until you see the indication that says you've turned on Vanish Mode, and the seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. To switch back to normal mode, you can just swipe up again until you return to the standard chat view. And you can see the indication of swipe up to turn on Vanish Mode. So that's it for today. This is exactly how you can use the Instagram Vanish Modes in messages. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.